Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Here with the keyboard shortcuts tips for Premiere Pro just can't live without. So these are gonna help speed up your workflow. Open project. Save project. For import media to press Ctrl I. You can import video, audio, images, text and more. Press page down for show next screen. Press page up for show previous screen. Press Ctrl N to link. Press Ctrl N again to unlink. Press Ctrl G to group. Press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup. Press space key to play and stop. To quickly duplicate clip, press Alt and drag. Press H for hand tool, drag the timeline view left and right. Press Ctrl C to copy. Press Ctrl V to paste. Press Ctrl X to cut. Press Ctrl V to paste. Hitting Ctrl plus K cuts the clip in two. It's like using the razor tool, only faster. This works on active tracks. This tool allows you to move an entire sequence at once rather than clicking and selecting clips one at a time. Click and drag over your sequence. Press I to mark in. Press O to mark out. Here you can export only marked clip. Ripple delete removes whatever is selected, and if a gap would be left behind, media to the right is moved to occupy the gap that would have been left so there is no space. Press equals to zoom in. Press minus to zoom out. Press Shift D, apply default transitions to selection. Press Ctrl D, to apply video transition. The left arrow key and the right arrow key will allow us to move our timeline cursor frame by frame. You can see we're moving it here frame by frame just by using the arrow keys. While pressing left-right arrow keys, hold Shift key to skip 5 frames. The up arrow key will jump the previous edits on the timeline, while the down arrow key will jump to the next edit on the timeline. For export media to press Ctrl M. Here you can select source range. And click here to export your work. For show all keyboard shortcuts press Ctrl Alt K.